I'm Chellyn and welcome to my house. Today I will show you the different application of physics inside my house. Let's begin! The first one is the door knobs. The door knobs use torque to make them easier. Because the handle is long, the length from the axis of rotation is greater. Torque is equal to the force times the radius. Therefore, if the radius is greater, the force needed to turn the handle is less. This is the reason why we put the handle far away from the hinge. It could be easier for us to open the door. The second application is television. The basic idea of television is radio with picture. Radio transmitted a sound signal through the air, and the television sent picture as well. You probably know that this signal is carried by radio wave, invisible patterns of electricity and magnetism, or what we call electromagnetism. The third application is the light bulb. The light bulb glows by taking a little piece of metal inside it called filament and heating it up. The scientific term for this is blackbody radiation. It means when something gets really hot, some of the energy will fly off as light. The fourth application is the hot water. Why the hot water becomes colder when it is placed on the table? It is caused by the law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics says that when a hot object placed in contact physically with the cold object, there will be transfer of energy from the hot object to the cold object. In this process, the temperature of hot body will fall down and the temperature of the cold body will rise up until the time they have the same temperature called the thermal equilibrium. The last application is the stove. We know that several concepts of thermodynamics can be expressed in one single pan. When I heated up water, I noticed right before I set the pan on the stove, the flame did not touch the pan, but the heat was still transferred. This is called the radiation, when the heat was transferred through electromagnetic wave. When I directly put the pan on the stove, this transfer of heat was called conduction, meaning the thermal energy flowed directly from the stove and flames molecules to the pan molecules. That's all for my vlog. Thank you. Enjoy!